If you'd like to add a nice centimeter or millimeter background to your work, there's an easy way to do it and customize the colors to your liking. It's powered by a PostScript feature of Gmail. Even if you don't regularly use Gmail, you can create a free account and use it just for this. Start by choosing which PostScript program code in the YouTube notes you want to use. There's code for people in North America who use letter paper and separate code for the rest of the world who use A4 paper. Copy and paste your code into a text editor like Notepad in Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Save as metricbackground.ps. The .ps extension identifies the file as PostScript, which is what triggers the magic. Email the PostScript file to yourself as an attachment. Note that Gmail displays the PostScript code as a graphic. That's the magic at work. Click the graphic of the attachment and click to print it. Instead of printing to your printer, select Save as PDF, click Print, then name it something like metricbackground.pdf. Depending on your browser, you may have to repeat the print command. Test the process by opening the PDF in a browser or with an Acrobat reader. It should look like the image on the right with distinct centimeter lines. Print it on paper and it should look like the image on the left where the centimeter lines almost disappear. When printing, the critical thing is to print actual size so the centimeter and millimeter spacing is exact. The difference is probably due to how screens start with a black background and use an additive process to generate color, while printers assume a white piece of paper and use a subtractive process. Wikipedia has details if you're interested. To use as a background in Adobe Acrobat, click Edit, then More, then Background, then Add. Select the File Radio button and navigate to your PDF. Be sure to set the opacity to 100%. To use with Microsoft Word, you have to first create an image file from your PDF. Search the internet for the phrase Convert PDF to Image to find a free utility that will generate a JPEG or PNG image. From Word, select Design, then Watermark, then select Custom Watermark. Click the Picture Radio button and then click Select Picture and navigate to your image file. Be sure opacity is set to 100% and be sure to uncheck the washout box. Now that you know the process, you can customize the colors. Search online to find an RGB color picker. The RGB system uses 3 numbers, each of which is from 0 to 255. So if you want aquamarine and find its RGB values are 127, 255, and 212, you divide each of those 3 numbers by 255 to get the equivalent PostScript numbers of 0.498, 1, and 0.831. In the code, find which color you want to be aquamarine and use these new numbers for it. This is a really simple PostScript program. If you're comfortable with programming, check out all the free PostScript tutorials online and make some amazing graphics.